Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to 𝗥𝗲𝗳𝗶𝗿𝗪 broadcast. You are watching the Hacker Show. In this section, we are going to learn about how to perform a reverse engineering using an AI, and we will be going to set Ghidra MCP server. Okay, in this particular section, so you can see clearly, like in my case, Ghidra is running. You can download Ghidra latest version from this website. Okay, Ghidra official repository from GitHub 12.04 I'm using, and you can also download Ghidra MCP server. This is the repository. Okay, and download version 1.4. Once you download it, okay, you will see each and everything under this particular folder. If you're using a Linux machine, okay, you can simply run this particular command and Ghidra will automatically going to start like this. If you're using a Mac system, Apple Silicon, first you need to watch this video that is called Rosetta for Hackers and Reverse Engineer. Then only you can basically come forward and watch this particular section or this particular video. Okay, specifically for Mac Silicon only. If you're using a Linux, if you're using a Mac, is a straightforward installation procedure. Once this is done, okay, you can simply go here file and there's option called install extension. When you click here install extension, select here. If Ghidra MCP is not coming, you can click on the plus button and select your MCP server, click here OK. Once this part is done, okay, what you can do is you can double click on this file and analyze the file. Okay, there we need to enable the developer mode of it. So I am simply click here analyzing, click here yes, analyze, and the process will start. Okay, at the bottom you can see here, right at the bottom side. I'm again clicking analyze. So wait for a little bit, you can see the process started. Once this process is finished, then okay, you can enable developer mode. So this is loading language. So wait for a little bit. Okay, so it's 62% done and almost this part is done. And if you want function everything, it will be under these functions. Okay, you can see, right, I'm able to read this code decompile. Now what we want is, you can simply go to the file, there is an option called configure. Just click here configure, and in this case, okay, we want developer mode. You can simply click on the configure and you can clearly see that, okay, like we have a Ghidra MCP plugin is successfully installed. This is the way, that's how you can set up Ghidra MCP. When this part is done, okay, you can simply go to the warp, it means whatever terminal, and make an entry under this location. So we're using a cloud system, so this is the cloud location in Mac system, and this is the configuration file of the cloud by default. Okay, so in my case, you can see clearly the Ghidra part is set up. So this is the Ghidra MCP server, like how I'm going to use MCP. This is the location of MCP, this is a script Python file, and you can see 127.0.01.8080. This is the basically, I think, 6 line of code, okay, we need to paste under the configuration, and you can easily integrate this thing, okay, with cloud now. So now if you use a cloud, you can simply click on the plus button, and if you see the connector, in my case, you can see Ghidra is loaded and it is on. And what you can do next is you can identify the file. Example, let's say we have a libndk03.so. I can write a prompt, use Ghidra MCP server and analyze libndk03.so. Exactly the same file. You can see within 5 to 8 minutes it have done complete analysis, and I have a complete report directly like this. Okay, this is the way. That's how you can perform a reverse engineering using an AI. We have a full course available. If you want, you can simply go to the 𝗥𝗲𝗳𝗏𝗪.com and you can check for this training, malware analysis and reverse engineering. We teach AI powered malware analysis and AI powered reverse engineer with the help of many tools like IDA Pro, JAB Pro, then we have Ghidra, you have seen, okay, just now, and then we have Binary Ninja and tons of other tools we are going to learn, okay, under this program. I hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching. Great day, and I will see you in the next hacking episode. Thank you.